Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to set daily screen time limits on your TikTok app. So guys, let's open our TikTok. Right now we are on the profile page, but let's click on the three lines icon at the top to go to the settings. Here we have the specific option like screen time. Let's click on it also, and guys, here you will get the actual analytics of your time spent on the TikTok. So as you can check here, we have a really very productive day. Okay, and guys, the first option is daily screen time option. Let's click on it. With this option you can set limits for you on TikTok. Let's click on this red button at the bottom of the screen, and guys, here we have the first option, set the same limit every day or set a custom limit per day. If you will set the second option, you can set another time for the selected day or week, but I want, for example, set the same limit every day for each day of the month, not only week. For example, I want to use TikTok maximum 2 hours on a day. If you want to set this limit, let's tap on the next. And well done, guys. As you can check right now, we had activated the limits on our account, and this option is turned on. So when we will we will use the TikTok application during 2 hours on some day, the application will be blocked for us and we won't have access to use it. And guys, from now on, our daily screen time, as I said before, is turned on. To disable this option, you can tap on the toggle logo side. Perfect. So from now on you can use your application with any limits as usual, but you can also edit it only. So if you don't want to disable the limit option at all, you can go to settings and choose another feature. For example, you can customize the time and, for example, choose the maximum 6 hours. Okay, let's tap on the done and click on the next to reactivate our mode and choose another time limits for it. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful and interesting. Don't forget to check our tutorials on the YouTube channel about the TikTok and other programs, because we will share with you some other secrets, features of these apps. And I hope that our tutorials are definitely useful. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.